That is pollution. The lawlessness don't pass now. Everywhere you go, people are just building. People not think for ask the technical expert for advise them. It's not correct. No side, no day. Most of we don't travel. Anytime we travel, you come back to you have the point. Like me, anytime I feel bad. So I've been thinking, how do we correct this? How do we correct this? And we support from my colleagues in cabinet and the president, we have been able to get this land mark law where they can correct all of these things. You gotta consider, you see the green spaces in the cities. You see their parks. The one they were in at the upper class in terms of income, and then they build who side they water day, the seafront. Now they build it. See, you know what's not happen? That the poor one they all don't go to the seafront, they don't go put small where they call them. They all the toilets, everything they go inside the water, they pollute the water. Now that same water, they fish and they come out, they eat. Every now and then the society is not healthy. They will blame government. But don't forget, say, that place that the people they go for build day. When a money man there, in terms of sewage disposal or whatever, they go make sure say they do it properly so they don't go inside the water. So you go see say the dirty they go inside the water where they produce.
So Jama, before I want to proceed, please, I want me on attack for me this uncle senior citizen. And if una sabi any other senior citizen, both SLPP and APC, please, I want make una do the needful by tagging them. So Jama, as I was on the streets of social media, minding my business as usual, they face me phone, they look for it, they look for me. I saw this video. In as much as uncle makes sense, get a valid point, he get, foundation about what he say. But I'm sorry to say this, right? I must say, I will debunk some certain things the way he say. And I believe say a well meaningful Sierra Leoneans there where they go na lab, where they think, where you will comprehend. You understand me? Go support me and buttress by waiting and they can say. Uncle, senior citizen. You see, this country is not based on foundation. This country not a foundation. This country was not planned. I don't know also ever that plan this country, but the country not planned. And the funniest thing is that we get a very nonchalant senior citizen there where God wrong win at this nation. Yes. You see, now the country this way it be to say, we have constitution, but the constitution not all water. We have constitution, it's only on papers, and we have constitution, it's only working for certain individual, some certain individual senior citizen there, or uncle or auntie senior citizen there. Yes. When they were only in a Holocaust and they tend to the court waiting the constitution say. Yes, when we want only na Holocaust and they tell the court waiting the constitution say otherwise the constitution not functional. Yes. Now I will tell you what make I say the constitution not functional. Now only Sierra Leone na in them go put law. They need to enforce the law. The law they only they work 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You don't excuse moi. How you go put law na country we don't come up and work for how many years? Country to say the citizens they are not afraid. Now you go put law, you know enforce them. Now then go put law, say men not to go to the street. But guess what happen? These are the same people who put the law, say men not to go to the street, and then they to go to the street. So that means the law is only working for the masses, but not the senior citizens. Because the bribing boku, uncle me you to know now what they say the bribing boku. Because uncle, no one is above the law, not even you, uncle senior citizen, not even uncle Madabio is above the law in this country. No one is bigger than the constitution of this country. No one is bigger than the law. Not even the Attorney General. Not even the president. No one. Also, we get country where they work. Country where able to say they are law-abiding citizens. No one is above the law. But when you come into Sierra Leone, we get certain individuals who are exempted from the constitution. The constitution, no, they work for them. Yes. So now, I go back to Uncle. Uncle, as I tell you before, no one is above the law. Uncle, if una don't they emphasize this law, if una don't they talk, they don't they teach the constitution to the Pekin since when they waiting happen, they care. From when they nosgi, they don't make them, they teach them. Now school, a lot of people if you don't know say, yeah, you know for Passia, yeah, you know for Sidoaso, yeah, you know for Biliaso, yeah, you know for do this, yeah, you know for Wetiana. But no, una waiting at the high table. Una know they do the needful now. Now they blame the masses them. Most of the one where they billion and no go school now. They don't go school. They don't know say there are some certain areas that you know for bill, you know for cut stick. Now Sweden, so you know the cut stick, you mad? You see stick, you just go cut for waiting. You don't go light fire. Picking them, me picking where they how many years? No say they know the cut stick. They know the cut stick. So waiting at the try for say, uncle. Now una na the law enforcers then. Una where they up there, we big pass we. You understand me? If una no you will enforce the law, make the people know say then think that what they do no good. Uncle, how do one know say una mean serious? Una will come, una put law, una know they enforce the law. Una don't put demarcation. Una don't tell people say na didn't know forbid, na didn't know forbid. We get some certain novice when you know sabi the left from the right. No side for bill, who side not for bill, who side for wait, who side not for wait. Waiting not for court, waiting them for court. Una do the needful and teach people them. Now una the same people them when no able make education compulsory for everybody. Yes, from the one from Olubep, the constitution talk and say no picking up for the when it be to say if they uneducated, even if na adult, if you want go school, for you to get the opportunity for me to go school, it will be free. That's what the constitution say now. That's what the constitution say. Yes. Now see where they for enforce say every pikin when you get at this age, you for go school compulsory. But una no go do now, una go afraid because una remember say the new generation they come because una the old one, una still one in a power. Una say the future now for waiting happen now for the youth them. But it seems like say una don't only aid, una still only aid. Because if you check now, if you go to right round the ministerial position there, now so Olibo forces then and then power. You understand me? If you check now the parliament, now so the Olibo forces then and they sit on the. I'm not still waiting the future all for the youth, for the younger generation. Waiting at the try for say is that uncle, no one is bigger than the law. If you una don't put law, una make sure say una enforce the law. No one is above the law. But not to weapons you can, I allege they can bribe. You understand me? Una left the case. Yes. Let me at the talk. You see now this country alone. We need president. We strong headed. We do know the work. We need president. We act strong. Not to this kind president that we go don't give you until further notice. If you see God may will give you politician where it be to say in word and in word. You see this country where it be to say it don't come up and where it be to say the citizen are very myopic. Listen to me. This country it go just stand still like Mount Zion that cannot be moved. We need president where he act strong. President where he say if you must so. Na trouble. If you must so, the Lord will bet you. Now that kind of president now we need. Not a president with people like wealth. All the presidents who don't get in this country, they're too soft for me liking. Because the people them of this nation listening to me, they're strong-headed. No want somebody with soft. The people of this country don't want somebody with soft. You want somebody with strong-headed. Where you be to say, where you say no pass or no mass if you master the Lord, they bet you. I think kind people in there. If you say Sierra Leone and then afraid, now because we don't get that president date. We don't get that president day. We get majiji. We get strong heart. We say if you know mass, if you pass you go sabi me today. We don't get it now. Until further notice, if we don't get that kind of president, they say this country, you go just stand still like Mount Zion that cannot be moved. For today, now I had to stop. On that.